bro. Whoa. What's up, everyone? What's up? Okay, so I'm back in Philippines again. So for my first reaction, right? You guys have did well, right? You guys have shown so much support, right? And this song called Fake Faces. It was my first time reacting to FELIP, and you guys shown great reception on that video. But you guys, right, because of the reception that I received, right, I'm going to react to a song called Palayo, right? It's an official music video and it's my first time reacting to this song. In fact, I love the Fake Faces song. It is a well written, put together music. Hey, watch out guys. Without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see how well Bo will deliver this song, right? Because I know he'll kill it, right? So let's dive in to Mr. Filippo song.
Dagan ko palayo na sa imo, ay nagbukod ka di na ko gusto.
Well. Yo, okay. I'm really excited. To be honest, I'm really excited because this my music makes me excited. To be honest.
Come to play with you, oh. Ayusay ang oras ko, oh. Taas na kay imong garbo, oh.
Yo, bro voice is incredible. Like, yo, beautiful music, bro.
If there's a problem, girl, that's you, oh. Wala ko kabalo, oh. Kanusa ka makontento, gihati ko tanang gusto.
Bro. His change of voice is darn cool. Yo, bro, dancing skills are phenomenal. The dancers who are in this video, bro, who is representing Mr. Filippo here, Mr. Philip here. Bro, they are superstars here, bro.
Kulang pa ba sa imo? Ito sa akong mata, oh. Kanus ako na makako, kita mo sa luha ko, di ka po'y nagkunin mo.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. This guy is one of the best, I repeat myself, the best singer in the Philippines. He stands out perfectly, right? The Filipinos are so talented, bro. I mean, like, you guys are so freaking talented, man.
Tama, yeah. Sakto na, yeah. Di na naku kaya ang tanan, yeah. Nanong inanak ka, kawalay kwenta.
Yo! Massive respect, bro. Let's continue.
Hindi akong isulti ang paminawa. Abi mo ba kumula ko palayo sa imuha?
Bro. Marvelous. Just marvelous. Yo. Okay. Let's continue.
Ay kuna-una, di na ko
Yo, sweet music. Sweet music, bro. Oh my word, bro. Yo, it is a very, very sweet music. Bro, radio.
Ayaw nagstorya kay, yeah. Kalas kay laway day, yeah.
Oh. Luca, bro. His change of voice is quite remarkable, bro. I mean, like, bro have this soft voice, but when he transitioned into a deeper tone voice, it blends in with the song so perfectly, bro. I mean, like, damn, he's good, bro.
Dugay ra kaayo kong gipulag paminaw sa imong istorya. Di lang ko gasaba kay dili ko gusto sa mong pangutanin ka. Kung sa problema pog sumpa.
Astoundingly beautiful. Hey, he's a superstar, bro. He's a freaking superstar.
Masuko ka, anumang be, kang istorya, tas ang sala. Ako abalihog ng bog, ayo sa imong batasan. Gadi masabtan, terminal lang, ako tanan.
Damn, bro. Yo. He's untouchable. He's freaking untouchable. Yo, his voice is really powerful, but look up, bro. His voice is really powerful, bro. You should keep up the good work, my G. Your music is really substantial music. You will have a longer time in the music game, bro. Keep on dropping these music, and I can guarantee you from a Jamaican perspective, you'll have a longer run in the music industry, my G. Bro. Bro. Yo. He's killing it. He is killing it. Luca, bro. I love it.
Dagan ko palayo na sa imo.
Wow. Yo. Bro. This song is freaking dope.
Ay nang kukod kay di na ko gusto. Yeah.
Oh. Yo. Okay. Marvelous energy.
Kalagod di masukon. Huwag ka pa nalipod. Ako na lang ang mutalikod. Di maagwan tagid ang kalisod. Sa pampanguntak ko na magituklod. Apit ko makatulog sa imong mga baka.
Yo. Freaking amazing, bro.
Mao ba ni imong gusto sa kumutak mo tatak. Tibuo kong tulo ng bait nga kagahapon. Bisang pag gusto ka nga mawala ko gibaliwala ko tanang kasakit.
Bro. 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 . 。 。 Yo, yo, bro, bro. I mean, like, he's outstanding. He is outstandingly good. I love it so much, bro. You guys are really great. To be honest, you guys are really great at this. Now, I would add this one to my playlist, bro. The instrumental are really amazing. The artist himself is really amazing. The entire production of this song is well put together. I gotta say, superb job. Wow. Well done, bro. Well done.
ko palayo na sa imo.
Boop, 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 bro. I want to say thank you all so much for your suggestions, right? It was a time well spent. It was well worth it to react to. Hey, I did make my introduction, man. I'm from Jamaica, though. It's a Jamaican friend. And you know what? Please suffer more. I'll be happy to check out each and every one of the SB19 group members. Each and every one are doing a great job. I know of Justin, I know of Philip, right? And I'll check out every one of them coming down in the list, bro. So please stay tuned for that one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. One love.